Here at Grays Online, we like coming up with very different and very unique cars. Well, I think we've certainly fit the bill this month with this XY Wagon. Now, it's not just standard XY. This car was built in Broadmeadows factory, but when it left the factory as a standard four-door bronze wine XY Wagon, the Ford Motor Company decided to do something a little bit different. They delivered the car to BS Stillwell's, and they cut and stretched the car and made it into a six-door limousine. Now, Ford Motor Company got this car built because when they had a lot of execs flying in from overseas, they used it as a transport from the airport to the Ford dealerships in Broadmeadows. The car originally started life with a factory 302 V8. It was rebuilt some many years ago and was fitted with a 351. The car's had a couple of owners since. It spent some time in Tasmania. It actually went to Nauru at one stage as well. Then it came to Queensland and it was restored quite a few years ago, and he has done an absolute cracker job. The interior on this car is like brand new. It's got GT dash. It's a running 351 auto, air conditioning and power steering. The interior trim and carpets and dash are just an absolute beautiful example. Have a look at that. What a great car, and it's one of only one ever built. Now, it's got an absolute ton of paperwork with it, from history, from brand new, all the work that's been done on it. Is a multiple trophy winning car, and the bodywork, paint, trim, mechanical, there's zero spend on this car. And if you want something really different and really unique, that no one's ever going to have the same thing at a Ford show or on a drive day or whatever, it's well worth having a look at this Falcon XY six-door wagon. Like, you have a look at that when you open the three doors on one side. That's a pretty cool car, and it's sitting on a big set of wire basket wheels, and just something rare, and you don't see them. And as I said, zero spend on this car. Very famous car, built for Ford Motor Company by Bib Stillwell, who was a well-known Ford dealer back in the day and did a lot of motorsport with Ford Motor Company as well. And just a true classic car. So it's coming up this month at Grays Online. Pop into 131 Main Beach Road, Pinkenba, and have a look at it yourself, or give us a call on 1300 Classic, or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au.